Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me putting down some bug spray in my yard. As you guys know, I've been telling you I've been having a whole lot of different mosquitoes, flies, you name it, is over here. When I first moved here, I didn't have that problem, but like all of a sudden I know it's summertime, so what I wanted to do is go ahead and put it down. I've seen two different ones. They have the off and they also have the cutter. I decided, it said it's up to 12 weeks. What I'm gonna do, I tried the cutter first because it was bigger, as well as it said 12 weeks. The the brand off said 8 weeks and it was smaller. So we'll see which one worked, but they were not expensive at all. So you guys try that. Another thing, you guys, I'll be putting down to y'all is the Weed Be Gone. I used this last time at my old home, but it was the Ortho and it was in a red and white container. This is going to be something different. Make sure you guys are reading it though, because you don't want to put it down if it's saying that it will kill the weeds and the grass, because some of it said that. I just wanted to be able to kill the weeds. They have different ones. You choose what works for you, but I just know, you guys, I have to put something down because the bugs is getting crazy. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm actually about to attach this to my hose. Go ahead and attach it to your hose. Read the back of the description. Guys, let me tell you, I'm always the type of person that's really bad with getting things open. So I did make a mistake and broke this little seal, but just read this and it'll tell you how to be able to open it. This is closed and this is open, okay? And another thing, you guys, wear something comfortable. Make sure you wear some closed shoes, because you don't want to be in the yard and you mess around and step on something crazy. And if I was probably you, also wear like some kind of capris or something. That would be good too. Something that you really don't care about when you are working in the yard, okay? Okay, first, guys, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get it together before I came on and showed you guys. What you want to do, again, hook up your hose, hook it up to your hose, and make sure you're doing it really tight, because I didn't do it real tight and the water was coming out. So make sure you do this tight when you're tying this on. Okay, tie it till you can't tie it no more. And then what you're going to do, guys, once you get it on, turn on your water. My water is not on. And then you'll shh, and then it'll come out. And make sure wherever you are, that's where you want to really get the bug spray. Have it going off until you turn it on. But like I said, really focus on the area that you're really going to be sitting on, as well as the rest, but we only got so much. So again, like I said, you guys, I am going to try this, see how this works. If this doesn't work, I'm going to try the off, and there's these other little granules that I'm gonna try too, that someone told me about. But I want to try it before I tell you guys to go out and buy it. But just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and ask them what's some good stuff for mosquitoes or bugs to put in your yard, and hopefully that should be able to help you, okay? Let me go ahead and turn on the water. And again, just in case you didn't see, it's called Cutter Backyard Bug Control. And they also have it in off too, the brand off. Guys, one thing I can truly say that I love about it is on. Water is not coming from it. And when I'm ready to trigger it on, watch this. See, I'm liking it already. So guys, let's go ahead and do it. And I'm really focusing on the areas front and back where I sit at. Look how quick, y'all, that bee. It was a bee over there. I sprayed the bee. That thing was gone quick. So y'all, I'm thinking this gonna work. And if it don't work, keep trying different things. But just make sure whatever you try, it does not kill your lawn. Okay, make sure you're looking at that. You don't want nothing to kill your lawn. And I'm just going around, y'all, the grass. And I love it, guys, because it's a lot of control. It gives you a lot of control. Some things like this does not give a lot of control. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish and I'm gonna go up front, and once I get done, I'll come back, okay? And guys, anytime you're using chemicals, make sure you are focusing on the grass. Don't try to put it on the house or anything like that, because you don't want anything to come discolored, just to be on the safe side, okay? And another thing, you guys, that I like, it comes out nice and smooth. Again, like I said, when you're ready to stop it, you just stop it like that. And it has a little lever right here to let you see how much you use. And you think you're not using none, but I'm telling you, y'all, this is really good. I'm loving this. Cool, easy. So if you want to just spray your yard yourself versus paying somebody, a company, you most definitely can do that yourself, okay, guys? So let me go ahead and go to the front and follow me there. Okay, now guys, I'm getting the front, and I can smell it too. It's not a bad smell, but I can smell it. I can smell it. You always want to be able to smell your products. See, I can pick it back up and just start. So far, you guys, I am giving this an A1 for the installation. I love how easy they have it. You can just hold it with your hose like this. And now I'm going to put it on the front, y'all. Don't put it on any shrubs or anything, because I don't know what it is doing. Focus on the grass. If you don't have enough for your whole grass, it's alright. Like I told you, just put it where you really go be sitting at, wherever you see all the bugs. That's it, guys. So I'm gonna go on the side of the house, get a little bit of that. I really don't have to get that much because I'm really never on the side of the house, but I'm just gonna just spray a little bit, and I'll come back once I do the weed be gone. No, you know what? I'm not even gonna show you guys the weed be gone. Just spray it in areas where you see weeds, and that's it, guys. Hopefully that stopped bugs. If you guys did that this summer, let me know how it's going and let me know what brand you use. But I think we got a winner, y'all, because the smell, I think it's not bad, but it smells like bug spray. So hopefully it keep those bugs away. Again, here we go. You guys take care, be blessed. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to be having a lot of home series going on because I moved into a new home. And I want to show you guys my experience on doing different things. Because I'm a DIY first timer. So stay tuned. Be blessed, guys. Bye.